Alright, what else you got over there? What's this Andrews thing over here for?
I thought it was a spec sheet. Oh no, it is. There you go.
What cam are you on?
7.
Z?
7.
14?
7.
3?
7.
F?
7.
B?
7.
What's these asterisks, man?
Mm.
New cam grind, introduced in 2008.
That's brand new.
I don't know what a bang about it because it's too new for me.
262 duration, 266, 510 lift.
See, it's bigger than a B and smaller than a C.
206.
It's between a B and a C.
Mm.
They finally figured out they needed something better. TD lift on a shovelhead is 208. 190, so it's 210 by 190 is what you remember. See, a Panda has more lifts, 220. But
206 and 186.
Yeah, 210 by 190. It's a lousy. It's a wide lobe center camera. It's got really lazy lobes on it. What do lobes look like? Nice
Lazy.
and pointed or nice and straight?
No, they were pretty straight.
Probably pretty pointed at that look. It must be really wide lobe centers. Andrews products. 7 cam. That guy bought it from J&P Cycle.
What's the date?
26.
Whoa.
15?
No, 2017.
17?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts. Alright. I'm supposed to go on these heads.
Mm-hmm.
Good 80-inch valve seals here.
Yeah.
These 80-inch heads.
Oh, you deflected it.
There's no heads and no fins in here. There must be 80-inch heads. Those are 74-inch seals.
That's for the other head.
Yeah, you know these are 80-inch heads.
It's for these ones because they don't protrude up.
They have numbers
And they
in here.
say, yeah.
They started putting numbers here in 79. This one was made in 80. 18 months of 80. See that?
12th month. Wait, 18th month. What?
Did I say 18 on it?
This math ain't mathin'.
Okay, you don't know the right tools for Harleys. This is called a Harley ring compressor. Compresses your rings. These are rate heads too. They got rubber bands on them.
Bandage.
Rubber bandings.
Yeah, just go ahead and do that.
Not worn out. Got a little rust in the holes here. Probably should clean those.
Ah.
Pretty low mileage heads.
Low mileage everything. Ooh, I like that.
My wrist doesn't like it. My shoulder doesn't like it. But you know what? If I use this hand, it hurts even more.
The lesser of the evils.
Yeah, Evo. These aren't Evo heads, are they?
Evil.
Keeper don't want to come out.
Here, switch. Switch. Okay.
We have tools. Leg ain't happy sitting on.
Alright, stop complaining about the camera.
I know what, it's not New Year's yet, so see, it's not, I still got injuries. Next year I'll be injury free.
Yeah, yeah. New year, new Tatro.
These are stupid valve springs. See, they don't have any interference fit in them?
Yeah.
Which means they're stock. Garbage.
Garbage.
Garbage. Low lift. Garbage. What are we putting in this cam in this
I
one?
wonder why he bought a
What are you putting in this motor?
not stock.
Not stock.
I wonder why he bought
We're
the
not gonna
7.
we're not putting that 7 cam in here, are we?
7 cam's already in. She gonna scream.
Well, you gotta do some head work.
F.
These have 80-inch collars in here too. Now these are the ones that sit on the valve guide. See the valve guide?
Yeah.
Cut away. And see, 80-inch heads they cut for collars that sit on top of the thing. So you can put different collars in there, or just take the collar out completely. Put the shim on there to give you a wear surface, and put the spring right on top and gain lots of spring clearance with crappy springs. Can't do that on older heads. Why does this thumb hurt so much on the side?
I don't know. Did you do something to it? Did you hurt yourself?
Shoulder.
Ooh, HD part number. How fancy.
My shoulder don't like it, and my thumb don't like it.
Why are you taking it off? That's gonna explode.
It didn't come out?
No, what the fuck are you doing?
I took one keeper off. You're supposed to take like, both keepers off?
Just got a hand grenade on the table.
See somebody putting goop all over their colors.
Goop.
Did you see that you had actually threads in a spark plug hole?
Oh, that's good.
It is.
Unlike my other shovel heads. Well, I have threads in the thread repair of the thread repair.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. They've been sitting.
Clearances might be a little tight.
Good stuff right there. No seal needed.
Crappy valves. These are just stock replacement parts they bought. Got high flow lip on there. Breaks up the grungy layer of the airflow. They got valve seal material on there, see? It's got goop on it.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear how tight it was going in?
Yeah.
Pretty tight. Now what's going to grow more, the bronze or the head?
The head? No, I have no idea.
Hmm?
I have no idea.
What has a higher coefficient of expansion?
Oh wait, those are iron. No, those are aluminum.
What has a higher coefficient of expansion?
I have no idea. Aluminum expands a lot.
So is brass.
Does it?
Mm-hmm. Probably brass expands more than aluminum.
So it'll
that
get
means
tight as
the brass
hell.
grows up, the aluminum grows, but the brass grows more. So what happens?
It swedges, it closes the hole.
It punches the hole and pinches the stem and
Yeah.
locks it up. So should you run tight valve clearances on your bronze valve guys?
Heck no.
Oh. That one didn't want to go either until it switched it out. You're a little loose that way. A little tight that way. What do you think?
Perfect.
Good. Glad you're happy. Okay, they might need some extra clearances on those. These have no tension, and no clearance, no coil binding. The next problem is
That's good. We don't want coil binding.
when you take this, and this, these parts match. Yeah, sort of. We're going to call that a match. See how close it is.
Mm.
It's loose, but it's semi-adequate.
That's better.
Yeah. At least these components fit each other. I don't know who made all this stuff, but at least they kind of match. That's a plus. That's new. Usually stuff doesn't match. Okay, and those are pretty tall, so there's no room for a seal in there. Now, if you go like over here to the seal drawer, and open it up.
Oh, sorry.
Trip me. These are valve seal collars for 82. See how they fit on there?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your seal at? Where's that on seal package?
Not that one. It's the other box. Oh, you could do that one. It don't matter.
What other box?
Nothing.
You got
Those
another
are
bag?
the smaller ones.
You got
Sorry.
another bag?
They're right there, but those are the smaller ones.
This don't fit. Those
Yeah,
are 74
I know.
inch.
That's why I said
We're
never
working
mind.
on a big Harley. They're the 80-inch motor here.
Mm.
This is a full-size vehicle over here. pretty sharp. See, some people can't see the difference, but
Seal to seal.
see how that goes on there. See how that goes through it? That's what Harley did. This is 78.5 to 81. This is 82. These came out in 82. You know why they came out in 82?
Why?
Because that's the year Harley went to valve seals. These are aftermarket. So if you put this on there, the seal will go in there, clears it, but what happens is, see that big hole you got there?
It'll recess.
It's like a cup full of oil. So now this completely engulfed in oil. What happens? It sucks the oil past the seal, right? Because the guys are never good sealing. And goes up the stem, just like it was worse than before. Because before it was just splashing everywhere. But at least it could escape. This collects it. So it causes problems. Now if you take this and cut it off, and put that down there, then this goes back on there, and it sits up against the collar, like this, here, and the oil's free to go away and not be inside of a cup.
Yeah.
And then if the guy's too tall, you got to shorten it up a little bit. So which one do you like better?
Least amount of work.
And the other option was to take this out and just put a shim on there, then you get more clearance yet. Okay, these have very low coil bind clearance. You gotta get where you can measure, but see, there's no place to measure across. See, aftermarket springs this overlaps a little bit, so you can measure right from here to here, but this one you can't do that. This is a shoulder exercise. Okay. How tall is that? So 880 is kind of your normal. This one's a what about?
You're not at coil bind. I can see through the spring.
9, 10.